Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix cellular data issue on your iPhone 15 series. So guys, many iPhone 15 users are saying that their cellular data is not working properly and they are facing too much issue with their cellular data. So guys, in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix this issue. First of all, you have to check if cellular data is turned on or not. Simply go to your settings and go to your cellular and see if it's enable or disable. If it's disabled, simply enable it. After enabling it and you're still facing the same issue, then you have to check if there are any carrier updates. Go to your settings and then go to general, then go to about and see if there are any update. Go to your software update and see if there are any available update. If there is update, then you have to update your iPhone to the iOS 17 to the latest iOS 17 version. After this, you have to reset network settings. Go to your settings and go to general and you can see your option transfer or reset app iPhone. Simply tap on reset network settings, enter your passcode and try to fix your issue. After doing this and you're still facing the same issue, then you have to check if the APN settings are correct. Contact your carrier or search online for the correct APN settings for your carrier and update them on your iPhone. Then try toggling airplane mode on and off. This will turn off all wireless connection and then turn them back on, which may help refresh the cellular data connection. Simply go to your control center and you can see here option airplane mode. Simply tap on it, enable it, and then disable it and fix your issue. After, if none of the steps work, contact your carrier or visit their store for further assistance. They may need to troubleshoot the issue or replace your SIM card. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.